everybody, my name is Daniel Savage with Mentors Moving and Storage. I just wanted to share a little bit of how we're handling the COVID-19 situation. The state has deemed us as an essential business, so we plan to keep operating as long as they let us. As far as sanitization goes, we are spraying all of our trucks throughout after every move. We're letting it sit for about 5 minutes before we wipe it, if we do wipe it down. The longer you leave the disinfectant on, the more it's going to disinfect. Like I said, we're spraying all of our trucks thoroughly, all of our equipment, every handle that any of our movers touch is getting sprayed and wiped down. On top of that, we're taking temperatures of all of our movers as they come in. Anyone showing signs of a fever is being left to go home. We have gloves, face masks, and booties that we will provide with our movers until our supply runs out. I'm sure everybody is aware of the shortage we're dealing with. When it comes to the cabs of the trucks, we're taking the same precautions, spraying down all handles, guardrails, etc. All of our movers are spraying and wiping down all of our steering wheels. While we're driving to our moves and back throughout the day, we're keeping the windows down to limit the amount of closed space that we're in. Spraying down all handles, turn knobs, even the radio itself, anywhere that human hands are touching, all handles, all parts of the doors, and even the locks.